In this video I am showing you 3 slides which represent the typical situation in a wired local area network in different decades. The first slide is about the situation at the end of the 1980s. The network uses a bus topology, which implies that we find the half-duplex operation mode. The cables are coaxial cables. To extend the size of the network, repeaters are used. In this network we have only one collision domain. This means that if any 2 or more end systems send data at the same time, then there is a collision. The whole network is also a single broadcast domain. If one of the end systems sends a broadcast, then all other end systems get it. The next slide shows how the situation at the end of the 1990s may have been. The network is now a star topology when looking at the network nodes individually, or you can also say tree topology. There are 2 hubs and a switch. The cables have been exchanged, so that now twisted pair cables are used, but the operation mode is still half-duplex. In this network there is one broadcast domain because switches and hubs forward broadcast. However, we have now 6 collision domains because the switch separates collision domains. Therefore, several data frames can be sent in parallel without causing a collision. In the last slide, we see a typical network which is usual nowadays. The hubs have been replaced by switches because switches became a lot cheaper. In addition, the twisted pair cables are now used for full duplex operation mode. As a consequence, collisions on the medium are no longer possible. This also implies that the CSMA-CD method is no longer necessary.